Hello, this is Russ Hyder, President and CEO of the Jewelry CAD Institute. We're pleased to announce that we now have our Matrix H conversion class from 7.5 now available. What we're going to try to do here in this quick free demonstration is to show you some of the new enhancements that are going to be in the conversion class. And by the way, the conversion class is all video, no documentation with it. We are completely revamping our uh, educational program for Matrix 8 from the bottom up. So all new videos, all new projects, all documented projects. So that will be up fairly soon. So let's get to it right away here. First of all, I just have this one halo out here, and I just wanted to explain to you something by enrolling in our conversion class here at the Jewelry CAD Institute. We are going to send you over 700 halos. Now this is what they're going to look like. They're going to go from quarter carat all the way up to 3 carat, different sizes. Um, these were actually made prior to Matrix's version 8 coming out, and they're quite usable. They're history enabled. You can go in and turn on things and off. There are no Boolean operations that have been done to them and so forth. So there's about 700 of them. We'll get to a link to you in a zip file so you can kind of see what they are. But just in short, they come in different profiles and so forth. If I open up another one here, you'll see that we've got them all the way from a quarter carat to 3 carat. So if I open this one up, then our stones also exponentially grow in size as well to keep this kind of the same. All right. However, on some of them we have different profile shapes. So we'll go back here. We've got a shared prong. We have a cushion shared prong angled. Same thing, all the way up through half carat, and we'll just show you kind of what this one looks like as well. It's a little bit angled here rather than just being flat. Same type of situation. Okay, and there's a whole bunch of them, and there's round ones, and we're going to continue making these until we get just a huge library of them. We should probably have around 8,000 of them when we're done. Seems to be just a popular type of design for people. Okay, so now that we got through that, let's go over a little bit of the Matrix 8 interface changes here that GemVision has put forth. You'll notice that some of the things have changed underneath the hood here, so to speak. We've changed some icons around in different spots. They really haven't changed all that much necessarily in the curves. It's just that over a period of time, and I've been using and teaching Matrix now for over 14 years, they've just moved them around a little bit per user input. So that being said, some of the interface changes are that some of the icons are in different spots. There's been some addition as well to some of the icons in different menus. One of the main ones that they've changed around here is a little bit is the tool menu, where we have our 3D printing. That's part of new interface here, as well as a new part of the program to give you supporting systems for people who grow files, necessarily for printing. There's some smart targets in here now. They're in pink and so forth. In here we have image trace. This is new for version 8. In here we also have the Stellar Findings library, which has expanded greatly on the types of heads and findings that you can use in your models. Also, we have a burr mark library, which basically has a bunch of ready-made models for you in a library to pick. In here you'll also find a 4-rail profile. Basically what that means is they've given you 4 rails to pick now to guide your profile to get a really good surface. So there are some new things in here for that reason. Another thing, you'll see some interface up here with the tabs for perspective and so forth and so on. And if you just go ahead and choose one of these and double click it and bring it out, if you go through this will change it to the viewport that you want. Okay, so quite simply, you can turn that on and off. If you don't like those tabs up there, you can turn them on and off right here in the info and settings. Also over here in the info and settings, you have a smart targets MSR. These are your smart targets again up here in the tools, and a lot of these things are going to be gone over when you get into using Matrix 8. Now, some of the other things that they have are their mesh repair. They have a halo builder now that's really cool. So in case you just don't want to make halos and you want to get some stuff from us, you can get the 700 obviously, but you also can go in, and I believe it's in the gems menu here, and it's called the halo builder right there, and that's explained to you in our conversion class. Also in there, we can go through image trace, we go through the mesh repair, which is great for people who convert their models to mesh or resize, just to make sure that their meshes are correctly made and can hold water. 3D printing tools have been over. There's a lot of new smart flow changes that are being done. Of course, we know that smart flow is up here in our transform menu. There's a new rendering textures that you're going to see in your V-Ray and batch render as well. And then the animation builder has changed to help you work with animations, not only in geometry but objects and so forth. They have a new movie maker, some great smart targets, and of course the Sweep 4. You're going to go through an introduction of that, some join and history, some smart targets use, and also some curves from 2 views using all Sweep 4. Gem Springs will also be gone over again, and again you have the Stellar and Burmark library in there. So I'm not going to waste too much more time with that. If you want to check out the program, go to our second page in our exercises and tutorials and view some more information on the Matrix 8 conversion class. And to follow pretty soon, we will have our whole educational practice program taking us through basic, intermediate, advanced. And for prior users and people who have used our services before for educational purposes, we have decided that it's about time we went through and made some new designs, new models. Some of them are a little similar, but we're going to start using all the new techniques and tools and everything in actually building models, so that you get used to this new type of workflow that Matrix 8 is letting us use, or basically is being presented. Okay, we'll see you there.